Hi, and welcome to the Spark DataFrames and Transformations video. This is a part of the Learning PySpark video series. In this section, we'll introduce the Spark DataFrames and we will learn how to create, specify the schema, and interact with DataFrames. We will also review the most important transformations you will encounter, learn how to create temporary tables, and how to join DataFrames. We will finish with calculating descriptive statistics. In this video, we'll have a quick look at Spark DataFrames and explain what they are and how do they work. DataFrames are yet another immutable collection of JVM objects, just like RDDs, but they are organized into named columns instead of a collection of records. This allows data scientists or any user of Spark, for that matter, to query structured data in Spark SQL, or using expression methods instead of lambdas. Structuring data has yet another advantage. By putting the data into organized columns, the Apache Spark engine significantly improves the performance of Spark queries. RDDs can be significantly slower due to the communication overhead between the JVM and Py4j. Another benefit of using DataFrames, starting with Spark 2.0 and above, is that no matter what programming language you are using to interact with Spark, you will be getting essentially the same performance.